Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II. This smartphone officially announced on February 24th, and this smartphone actually one of the best smartphone in the mid-range segment, especially of its design and camera. Now, first of all, talking about the display, the smartphone comes with 6-inch display with aspect ratio 21:9. When the time of video playback, the image quality optimization technology cultivated under the Sony Bravia brand. So it also support multi-window function that make use of vertical ratio and 21:9 multi-window switch, allow you to smoothly switch between top and bottom apps. Now moving to the camera uses the same lens configuration as the flagship model Xperia 1 released in 2019. It has a triple camera setup in the back. The main camera is 12 megapixel. The second camera is 8 megapixel and third camera is 8 megapixel which used as a wide angle. And there is a telephoto lens and a standard camera. So the all are very unique combination of smartphone in camera department. Also smartphone very durable. On the front and the back, the smartphone comes with Gorilla Glass 6 protection. The smartphone comes with four different color: blue, white, black and mine. So another interesting thing, smartphone also support headphone jack. The fingerprint sensor is located on the right of the side. Now moving to the other specification, the smartphone comes with Snapdragon 665, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage and 128GB internal storage option. And there is a 8 megapixel front facing camera, 3600 mAh battery, IP65 rating and USB Type-C connectivity. So overall, if you want to buy Xperia 1 20:9 display and you cannot afford it, it's very attractive mid-range model. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark II is very attractive, very budget smart. But I would like to pay attention to what price range it will be launched in globally market. So that's all guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought in the comment section. I will get you next video. Till then, goodbye.